Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle. This is intended for study of UPSC Civil Services Examination as well as UPSC Defence Services Examination. Here we have various facilities. For example, if you are preparing for UPSC or that Civil Services or Defence Services Examination, then the first and important thing, that is regular lectures, and I hope that almost all classes are providing that we also have regular lectures. The second important thing, that is library facility. We have very good library, and apart from various books, reference books, various newspapers and magazines are also regularly available for students' reference. Regular exam practice is really essential, and not only exam practice, its analysis is really important. So we have that. This is our actually key factor, that along with regular coaching, we are having regular test, variety of tests we are conducting out, and that every test we have analysis of that test in the classroom. Now this is all. What is the important thing we are giving here? That is full backup of video lectures. This is having various advantages. The first advantage, that you can revise immediately whatever topic discussed in the class with video backup. You must have noticed that various video lectures we are posting out continuously on YouTube channel, but they are not in continuous fashion. Whereas when you register here, we have complete backup in register in sequential order. You will get login and password, and then whatever topics we are discussing here, that same topic we can observe video lecture at your home. This is first thing. Second important thing, we can prepare your notes there only. Third thing, that suppose by chance you may have lost out some classes, then we can get immediate backup of that. So we have to just confirm which topic we have discussed, and that you can observe from your home. And that's why this thing is really important. Now, the way you can study here, that is with full sophisticated modern way, that regular lecture in very good classrooms. The most important thing here, classroom strength is limited. We have only 25 seats for regular course. Classroom is small classroom which can accommodate only comfortably 25 students in that. And that is the most important thing. It is not that you are out of 100 you are one student, or out of 200 you are one student in the class. Just within 25 strength you are one student. That is for regular batches. Now fees are also comparatively affordable. For detail, you have to observe. You have to come personally at our center. The address is mentioned here. You can observe this address, that Swatantraveer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Shivaji Park, Swatantraveer Savarkar Marg, Dadar West, Mumbai 28. So here you can come personally and discuss all this matter with you. Now, second important thing, along with this all, that means regular academics, we are having variety of other things for personality development, because ultimately for IAS officer or for civil services, the personality test, that is the last test. Say first you have to go for prelim, then mains, and then it is personality test, that is formerly called as an interview. For that purpose, we have various activities like mountaineering club is there. So we are going for regular field visits, trekking and all these activities. Then the important thing, that various other activities are also available under the same roof. Obviously different charges are there for that, not included in our fees. But we have boxing, taekwondo, karate, then archery, air rifle club, like that several activities are there. You can observe our separate video of that. So I hope you must have at least concluded that you can visit out our center. It is at prime location. So come personally and discuss with us the matter. Thanks.